Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to show you how to install a pendant light in a false ceiling. To a false ceiling we go when you don't have concrete back here. What you need is an umbrella like this one. What you do is make a hole in the ceiling like this one you see here. You'll see the umbrella goes inside, and once it's in, it opens up. You'll need to create a surface sturdy enough to hold a considerable amount of weight. In this case, it's going to hold a lamp of that size. Alright, so here I've made the hole, which you can do with any rock. Any rock will do, because as you know, these false ceilings don't have any strength. You put it in like this, as I told you, like an umbrella. You look up, see, it has already opened, and now you will have to raise this little flag up until it reaches the stop, and then pull the hook up. As you see, it's usually simple and super useful. I'll stay here for a bit, and when I have it up, I'll put the video together and show you the results. Now, as you can see, I've fixed the washer, and what I have left is to set the height I want to hang the lamp. To do that, all you have to do is keep turning this. This hook goes up here, and as you can see, it's going up. I want the lamp to be relatively close to the ceiling, so I raise it almost all the way up. I'll leave you now and show you how the lamp looks hanging in. That's how we were left with nothing.